Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to comment on YouTube Shorts. Engaging with YouTube Shorts by leaving comments in a great way to interact with creators and other viewers, whether you want to ask a question, share your thoughts, or appreciate a video. Here's how you can easily comment on YouTube Shorts. The first step is to open the YouTube app. Just open your YouTube app on your mobile device and then scroll through your feed or use the search bar to find the YouTube shorts you want. I'm gonna click on the shorts section right here. I have to log into my Wi-Fi. See here, let's search in the shorts section by clicking on shorts at the bottom like this. And then after you find the YouTube shorts you want to comment on, access the comment section by clicking on the comments icon in the bottom right corner right here. Like you see here. Once the short is playing, swipe up to reveal the comment section below the video, and you can see existing comments and engage with them by liking or replying. You can also leave a comment by tapping add comments right here. And then you can write wherever you want. You can type your message, then tap post to publish your comments. If you want a creator to see your comments, make sure you mention them using the arrow bars followed by their channel name. And keep your comments respectful and engaging to encourage interactions. And if comments are disabled on the shorts, it means the creator has turned them off. And that's it for today's tutorial. That's how you comment on YouTube Shorts. If you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.